2025. Woohoo! Ha ha ha! I'm so happy we did it, you guys. It's a whole new year, 2025, and we're going to be able to get out into our gardens and do so many new things. I have a lot of new ideas I want to incorporate into my garden this season, but I wanted to come to you today to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. Yay! Got my little beads on, got my little hat on, got my little noise maker. Ha 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 ha! I know you guys had a fantastic time bringing in the New Year's. As you saw, that me, my husband, and Isaiah, we had a fantastic time bringing in the new year. We was eating all kinds of stuff, and you saw the great food we had. We had our little toast with our Isaiah had his sparkling little cider. Me and hubby had the real good stuff. And we watched the ball come down, and we were listening to the after parties like they always do in Times Square. So I know you guys are probably out there having parties and hanging out with your family, hanging out with your friends. But I want to tell each and every one of you guys, this year is gonna be phenomenal. Yay! Ha 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 ha. Because I am so excited. I have met some new friends in 2024. I'm bringing them over to 2025. And I've met all of my family members that have been hanging with me since day one. And I am so thankful that you are hanging with me in 2025. And I'm going to be out there watching you guys, learning from you guys. And also, woohoo, I am going to be with my notepad, taking new notes. And I'm going to show you a few things in the coming videos that I have purchased, and hoping to incorporate that in my garden this season, because the sky is the limit, you guys. The sky is the limit, because you know we are all itching when we get to this point where we know that winter is here, spring will be here soon, and I know you're like me. I'm already trying to figure out what kind of seeds and what I will be planting this season, where I'm going to be putting all my stuff in the garden. New garden design is coming up, because your girl is going to be digging out a whole bunch of stuff that I saw in my garden that did not do well, that harvest, that, well, I should say, had a lot of critters that were using those areas for their little homes. And Miss Renee is going to be evicting a lot of her so-called little critters, because I don't want to have too many critters in my yard this new year. This new year being 2025. Yay! I'm so excited, because I love watching you guys get excited about your gardening plans and all the things that we are going to be showing each other, and we're going to be encouraging each other. And that's what I want 2025 to be. I want us all to rally around each other, give each other a hand clap on doing a good job, make some noise. Ha 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 ha. To encourage them to keep pushing, even though you know we're going to have our hardships. We're going to have things that we thought looked good on paper, but when we actually put it in the garden and see if it works, we're going to have some challenges. So do not let that get you discouraged. You just pick yourself up and you keep moving forward. And you know, I'm going to have some other trains going down the track. I don't know what I'm going to be doing this season, but trust and believe, when I'm out in them YouTube streets and I see all those goody things that I see in the stores, will lead me to figure out, Hmm. Well, I will. I know for sure I will be doing the butter train for the molds because I can't wait to make some spring butter of like flowers. Oh my God, that's going to be so gorgeous. Like roses, tulips, whatever flower molds I can find. Child, you know I'm gonna make some butter out of that. So that's one thing that I'll share with you that trust and believe will be happening this season is that I will be back on that butter train and I will be making some good butters for the spring. Because what do you do in spring? You're out there barbecuing, you're having your friends over, and child, you always gonna need butter. Butter is one of those things that you're always gonna need in your kitchen. And I'm gonna be doing a lot more preserving, a lot more dehydrating, like I always do. So you guys stick around for Miss Renee and Miss Renee's Garden Adventures because I have lots to share with you. And like I said, I know you guys have a lot to share with me. So I just want to extend my love from my family to yours to wish you again a very happy new year for 2025. Woohoo! Ha, 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 ha. I am so happy, you guys. We made it. But did you guys think that this year went by really quick? If you do, put a thumbs up in the comments and say, Renee, it flew by. Or you'll say, no, it was slow going. Me, myself, I thought this year went by really quick. Before I knew it, because the spring came, summer came and it didn't look like we had much of a summer, or it was just hot. Remember how the weather was? How we were like struggling to keep our things watered because the heat was just sucking the moisture out of our plants and our plants were taking a hit. And we all were looking for some kind of irrigation, shade cloths, all kinds of things in order to get our plants to be some kind of protection from that sun. So hopefully this spring and summer will not be like it was last year. We're only going to be thinking of good things, you guys. Good positive things for the year 2025. I can't keep saying and stop saying 2025. But you guys, it's 2025. Woo! That's Now let me tell you, my sisters thought when I graduated from high school, I don't know if you guys remember the cartoon The Jetsons where they had those space cars flying all around. They thought by the time I graduated college that was what our future was going to be. Has it been like that? Nope. But is that technology on the forefront? Yep. But all I can say is I'll take any kind of help that would make my gardening season a whole lot better. All right, guys, I just wanted to come in and tell you that I am happy that we made it to what year? 2025, you guys. So I'm encouraging you and I'm hoping that you guys have a prosperous and fruitful and filled with love and happiness for 2025 because, child, we all deserve it. We need to show a lot more love in this world. And you know what? I'll never have to worry about it with my garden family because you guys show me love every single day. And I am truly blessed. And I'm truly thankful for each and every one of you guys. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to end it there because I have things to do and things to prepare for my garden this new year. All right, guys. Love you much. And you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, give your girl a thumbs up, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video. Woohoo! I got to make my noise maker with my little horn here. You ready? All right, here we go. Signing off for the year 2025. We made it! Yay! Wish I had some confetti, because you know I'd throw that up in the air too. But I don't have no confetti. So just pretend that Miss Renee is throwing up the confetti. And it's just falling all around you. And that's all my love surrounding you and wishing you the best for 2025. All right, you guys. See you later. Love you, love you. Woohoo!